just write this down quickly. So we've got £1 is $1.19, and we're trying to figure out $380. Okay, so you said instead of doing $1.19, let's make $1.20. Okay. What are we dividing exactly? So we're saying 380.80. We are allowed our calculator in this exam. But I mean, that is a very creative solution. so, so we could just do what? Now that you can use your calculator. Okay, yeah, but like, what are we putting in? So we're saying 380.80, well, 0.8 divided by 1.19 will give us a 320. Okay, is that correct? And now I'm going to take it a step further. Okay? And I'm going to make that brown. You know, when brown comes out, then we've got trouble. I want you to prove it. Why is that the case? I want you to tell me why. Yeah. But I want to know your why. Why is it that that worked? So what we did was we said 380.80 divided by 1.19. So that is correct, but why? No, I want to know, okay, so this is £1 is that much. So then how did I get the whole idea that this is that 320 is that much? Well, okay, basically prove that you're correct. Remember when we were kids, we had this whole thing of like you do a question and then it would say, okay, now check your working out. Do you know that checking your working out was not actually for you to check your working out, but for you to prove to yourself that you understood it? It was proving, and do you know that that is in classical education? That is rhetoric. That's the highest level of understanding. And do you know that they no longer do that in schools? because teachers were never taught why we have to check our working out. It was just part of the syllabus. And now the syllabus has changed, but the teachers didn't understand why, so they don't keep doing it. So what I would do to prove this, or do you want me to give you another moment to figure it out? So to go from 320 pounds is equal to that 380.8. What I'd do is I'd say, okay, how do I get from a 1 to 320? I'd need to multiply that by 320, right? So then I could prove it by saying, okay, then 1.19 times 320 should be 380, right? And what does it give me? It gives me 380.8. And why is that so? Because what I do to the one side, I must do to the other side. Because if I have 3, or let's say I've got 30 times 3, okay. Yeah, but I mean, let's say I've got 30 times 3 is the same as 3 times 10 times 3. Okay. Now, if I take away this part here, I can take it away, leaves me 30. But then I have to make this side also equal to 30, so I have to take, so what gives me 30? 3 times 10, 30. So then I have to take away this 3. In the same way, if I multiply 320, I can only multiply 320 on the one side just randomly because this is equal, which says that everything that's on the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And so if I'm doing something that changes nothing, if I'm multiplying the same thing on both sides, it changes nothing. They're still equal. Because the point of anything like this, the point is not the numbers. Do you know the point is the equal sign? The biggest component of something like this is the equal sign. Because we are proving equality. When we put an equal sign, we are proving equality. Okay. Anyway, that was what did we say that was? That was 320. And this is question 5.